Anyway, guys, it is good to be back. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Before we get to Miss Msoleko Amahle and Tirelo, guys, is yakhalela phana ku social media. So for those who don't know, Nosipho Ntshangase stepdaughter Kirko shaking the internet after rubbing it to Nosi's face that Yena she's in love with her new stepmother, capturing the post in a song "You Are Easy to Love." But the reality star, she was triggered because she was also a stepmother. So this is what she posted on her Instagram. Yeah, you all, let me tell you about the step kids because I can write a book. Being a stepmother is not easy, guys. She went on to say their loyalty will always lie with their parents, no matter how toxic they are and whoever holds their dad's bank account. She went on, I guess, take it from me, so uKhokho respond to this lady, guys. She went on to say, Sawubona mina bandla mama webantu, please don't you ever think unjoyle amasimba like that. So anyway, guys, people were saying, oh God, at the end of the day, uKhokho, she doesn't owe loyalty to Nosi, guys. She'll forever choose her dad. So it makes sense. Some people are saying, oh God, this thing of being a boat builder, it doesn't work. Just be an evil stepmother, you will be happy. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. So let's get to Mosamseleko, guys. So there's a guy who's trying to expose Mosamseleko Lapago internet. This guy Lindelani went on to say he's a principal. 3 years ago, Ubaba Mseleko gave me a permission to join him there by the polygama. I am glad I never took the offer. Look what's happening right now, and this guy is telling us what if he did listen to Mosamseleko right now, he was going to cry alone. So the guy was saying what sometimes don't listen to Mosamseleko for your own happiness. So anyway, guys, let's get to Amahle and Tirelo. So Tirelo, she's currently trending. People can see what Tirelo only mene, guys. The people are saying so Tirelo, she's trying to convince Amahle that Umpumelelo is not a nice person, that no one will ever be able to handle him except her. So Amahle should leave him for her. So Tirelo, guys, she's trying so hard. Tirelo, guys, she's trying to get rid of Amahle, guys. So Tirelo is planning on provoking or fighting with Amahle like she did with Vuyokazi. She's in for disappointment because Amahle, she doesn't care. She's the real Mangwabe. So people are saying, oh, God, say Amahle, she's winning because she's behaving like Amahle. She doesn't tolerate Tirelo. She did say lapana go direct section of Tirelo, she's just pretending to laugh. She knows very well what Tirelo akanandaba naye, guys. So Tirelo, she's saying she feels sorry for the poor girl, not for herself. Like Tirelo, she wants Umpumelelo, but she doesn't want other girl to have Umpumelelo. So people are saying, oh, no, man, Tirelo, she's too desperate. She needs to leave Amahle alone. Umpumelelo really loves her. He was not going to cheat on her. There's no way Umpumelelo can get another woman when he loves Tirelo. So people are saying, oh, no, man, not Impilo asking Tirelo, no, like I get her. Why? Because Tirelo, she's acting like Uyamazi Kuspinde. Umpumelelo will never play hard to get. Tirelo, she was acting to Amahle or Umpumelelo will never play hard to get. She doesn't know Umpumelelo, guys. So she's acting as if Uyamazi Umpumelelo. Every woman that is gonna come, she needs to control them. So people are saying thanks to Amahle. At least Amahle, she can see what is going on. Lapana Tirelo, she's not going to be played by Tirelo. Saying what to Amahle, she's like hammer to Tirelo, guys. And no wonder why with Tirelo, she's trying so hard to get rid of her. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about it. Don't forget to subscribe, so like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.